Hello everyone, so I come to show you how I actually roller set my hair, and I just got back unfortunately from one of my aunt's funerals, so yeah, I decided to take my hair down and go ahead and roller set it for tomorrow, for church tomorrow. I've taken my hair down already. It's a little bit of crinkly, a little bit, because I had it in a bun. I had it like two braids going back into a bun until I got home. And then, like I said, I decided to roller set it. I did this part to my hair yesterday. I just used some jam. This is the one that I used, the one with the green top on it. This is the one I always use in my hair. It works great. And I just added a little bit to it, and I just did like somewhat of a braid pattern on this side of my head. And I two-strand twisted it all the way to the end. I'm going to take the twist. I think I'm going to take the twist part out and just roller set it along with the rest of my hair. So I'm going to take all the twists out and do that. But the two products that I use on my hair, I told you when I roller set my hair in the hair video, if it's not up yet, you will be seeing it. Somewhat of a hair update and tutorial. This is my hair. All of this is just my hair. And my hair, I washed my hair earlier this week and I blow dried my hair out. I did not straighten flat iron. I just blow dried it out and I clipped my ends somewhat. Like I said, I went through all that in the previous video. The two products that I use together, and I do my hair, my roller sets on dry hair. My hair is natural. I've stretched my hair, and I don't want to wet my hair. I don't want to put any product in my hair that's going to wet my hair and shrink it back up. So these are the two products that I use when I roller set my hair. I use one and only Argan Oil Molding Cream, and I purchased this at Sally's Beauty Supply Store. So this is what it looks like, and I'll list it in the info box as well. And I use this product, a little bit of hair butter. This is optional. You don't have to use this. I like to use it because it makes my hair really soft and shiny and bouncy. So these are the only two products that I will be using on my hair. Like I said, I'm not going to add any foam wrap, anything like that that's going to shrink my hair back up and cause my hair to revert back to its natural state. I want to keep it somewhat straight. I don't think I've never ever roller set my hair in its natural state using these two products. I'm sure you probably can. I normally do it on stretched hair or blown out hair. To me it comes out better and it's a little easier to roller set my hair. So I recommend stretching your hair. At least do it in a stretched state. So I'm going to use a little bit of the molding cream, and then I'm going to apply a little bit of the hair butter on my hair, not a lot, and brush it out, and then I'm going to roller set my hair. Roll my hair up. The rollers that I'm just using my flexi rods. These are the ones I'm using. They're kind of small. They're about the size of a dime almost. And I got these at I think like Fred's dollar store. I don't know how many was in there, but I have quite a few of them. So that's what I'm going to be using. I'm going to start. I normally start in the back of my hair and work my way toward the front of my hair. So I'm just going to section off some hair and I'm going to go ahead and get started. I probably won't do all of my hair on camera. I'll probably just show you how I'm going to roll it. Finish rolling it and then come back and show you what it looks like. The final results pretty much. I figure you don't want to see a full video of me actually roller setting my hair. I mean, pretty boring to watch, I would think. So I'm going to start off. And I'm just sectioning my hair off from ear to ear, pretty much. And when I roller set my hair, most times, honestly, I really don't use a comb. I just finger part it because it doesn't have to be like extremely straight or anything like that. And like I said, you can see somewhat the length of my hair in the back. And I don't have to take the good thing about it, I don't have to take like thin sections like I normally would if I was roller setting my hair when it was relaxed. I can just take like small thin sections. So you can see how large a section that I'm using. You see how much hair that I have in the back. And I want to roller set my hair where my curls are kind of hang, so to show the length of my hair somewhat. So I'm going to apply the molding cream first. And you can see this is how much I'm applying to this section. And with this, you don't want to be heavy-handed with this product because it will straighten your hair, make your hair look like it's completely straight. You don't need a lot of it, just a little bit on there, just enough to hold the curls. You just want to coat your hair with it, but don't have like a whole lot, if that makes sense. So next, I'm going to take a little bit of the hair butter. It doesn't take much of it either on each section. That's about how much I'm using. Just a little bit. And I'm just going to rub this on top. All the way down my hair. And this is optional. I like to take a brush and run it through my hair just to blend the products in my hair good. Then I'm going to take flexor where I'm going to start at the end of my hair. And roll the end of it. And afterwards, I just take it and twirl it like this. And that's pretty much the way I'm going to roll all of my hair. I'm just going to do that for the full section in the back. And I'm going to do that pretty much all over my hair, my head. And I'm applying the molding cream again. Turn this way. And now I'm applying the hair butter onto my hair, the hair butter. And I'm going to take my brush and run it through. So I'm going to go ahead and do all of it, my hair that way. And I'll come back every now and then in between me doing it. Okay, so I have 2 rolls in the back, as you can see. And for the second roll that I rolled my hair, I didn't twirl the rollers. I just pretty much just rolled it regular, just rolled it up. I only twirled the bottom because I want the bottom to have a little more length to it. I want to hang a little looser, the bottom roll. The rest of it, I want it to be a little tight because I want it to be kind of full in the top part. So it's very important that when you're rolling your hair, that you actually roll the hair in the direction you want the hair to fall in, because it'll be a lot easier when you get ready to pull the curls apart, etc. on pretty much how the curls lay. For the top part of my hair, I came back because I want to share with you the way that I roll the top of my hair. On this side, the front of my hair, I'm just going to roll it going down this way, because that's the way I want the hair to fall, just straight down on this side. The top of my hair, I wanted to have like a little bit of volume in the top. So I'm going to turn the rollers a little bit different when I roll the top of my hair. This is the section that I want to kind of fall down over some of the curls in the back. So I'm going to roll this, just pretty much roll this under in the top. Excuse me. So I'm just going to roll this section, I'm just going to roll it under. You can see how much hair that I have parted off. So I'm going to put this in 2 sections pretty much. And this will be one section, and then this section up here will be another section. So I'm just going to roll it straight under in the top, those 2 sections. Okay, and for this, I'm just going to roll going down this way. I'm going to make 2 rolls though. So this is the final results of it. And I should have rolled my hair a little bit tighter on the bottom row, but it's okay for the most part. So yeah. So this is where I'm going to wear it today. Normally when I do my hair like this, it lasts about 3 days before I have to redo it. So that is basically it for everything. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will talk to you later, YouTube. Till then, take care.